Welcome to section 6. The first thing that we're going to be looking at is how to use the Swift Migration Assistant to convert an old Swift project to the current Swift syntax. We're going to be looking at how to migrate an old project to Swift 5 and also understand ABI stability. This is Xcode 10.2, and inside of the view.load, you can see that we have a statement with a deprecated variable. If you look at the top here, you can see that we currently have two issues. If you click on that issue, you can see that we have the same warning here, which says the encoded offset is deprecated, but we also have the conversion to Swift 5 available message here. If you launch an old project for the first time, you're going to get the Swift Migration Assistant, which is going to try and help you to convert some of the old Swift syntax to the latest code. But if you don't see the Migration Assistant, you can also click on this conversion to Swift 5 available message. So let's click on that. You can see that that's also launched the Migration Assistant. There is another way to launch the Migration Assistant. So I'm going to click Convert later and then go to the Edit menu. And here you can see Convert, and it's going to try to convert it to the current Swift syntax. You can see that that's also launched the Migration Assistant. Next, and it's going to go through all your codes and it's going to show you code that it is going to convert. On the left hand side here, you can see that it is selecting the view controller.swift, and this is the only code file that we have in our project currently that has breaking changes. So what you can see here is that Swift is going to convert this statement array index of 9. So we want to get index of 9, which is what is supported in version 4.2, but Swift 5 introduced the first index of, and I think this makes more sense because we have 3 9s inside of our array, and it's going to return the index of the first value that matches what we're looking for. It's going to show you all of the changes that is going to be made to your file. You can scroll through the file to see what is going to be changed. If you are happy with the suggestion, all you need to do is click on the save. You're going to get a warning so that you can commit your changes before you make any of this change. I'm simply going to click on continue, and you can see that our code has been modified successfully. So index of 9 has been changed to the first index of 9, which means our code is now Swift 5 compatible. So if we go back to the issue navigator, we do not have the warning anymore that is asking us to convert to Swift 5. So this is the most important part of migrating an old project to Swift 5. The Migration Assistant is going to help you to convert all of your old Swift source code to the latest Swift syntax.